how to sign into CBA Netbank account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you sign in or log into your CBA Netbank account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for CBA Netbank login, and after you search it, you'll have to just tap on search. Alright, so after you search for CBA Netbank login, you'll be able to find a official site of commonbank.com.u. So simply tap on that URL of official site of Netbank. Alright, so after you come on this interface, you'll have to just tap on the option log on to Netbank. So simply tap on log on to Netbank. Alright, so after you tap on that, you can easily find a login site from here. So from the section log on to Netbank, you can easily provide your client number and password here, and after you enter your correct client number and password, you'll have to just tap on the option log on, and after you tap on that, you can easily sign in or log into your CBA network. And if you have forgotten your password or your client number, you can easily go the options like I have forgotten my logon details. So simply you have to just tap on that, and from that way you can also recover your sign in or login information from here. So you have to just verify with your debit card, credit card, your card pin, your mobile number, and many other process. So from here you can easily log in or sign into your CBA Netbank account. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.